Hey there, I'm Darl. Welcome to Automatic Business. In this fast tutorial, I'm going to walk you through setting up your very own booking calendar inside Go High Level so you can start locking in those one-on-one calls with ease. Let's not waste a second, let's dive right in. Now, step one, from your Go High Level dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and hit Calendars. Up at the top, click Calendar Settings, and then you would find this blue button that says Add New Calendar. Click that. Now, on your screen, you would see a few options like all these other calendar types. But for this example, we're keeping it simple with a personal booking calendar that's perfect for those one on one calls. Now, next step is to give your calendar a personalized name. I'm going to call mine 30-minute discovery call. Darn. You can also add in a brief description of what your clients should expect out of this call or simply just go by your calendar name. Now, in this section right here, you wouldn't have to change anything because the booking link is auto assigned to you. But if it happens that you need to reassign this booking link to another team member, just click on this drop down menu and select that team member of yours. Now, next step is to set up your availability. You can choose the default schedule like from Mondays to Fridays between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or customize it to fit your needs. Now, if you feel like blocking off your Mondays and Fridays, you would just have to uncheck the boxes right here. Now, next step is to create a clean booking link. Now, remember that this is what people will click. So you want to keep it simple and brand friendly. Maybe I'll just go in with the company name this time. That's simple, pro, and easy to share. Next step is to also match the duration of the meeting. This one's very important because if you will be allotting 30 minutes for the discovery session, you have to make sure that the calendar says 30 minutes and not 15 minutes or 60 minutes unless you're feeling generous. Finally, review all of the information that we have provided in here. And when you're happy with it, click confirm. And there you go. Your calendar is now live. Now, you'll see that booking calendar listed in this section right here, which makes it easy to grab the link and share it with anyone, whether through email, LinkedIn DMs, or anywhere you connect with your clients. Now, just copy that. And when someone clicks your link, they'll see a clean professional booking page that looks like just this one. And that's it. Your booking calendar is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.